Forget the fake routines online. Here's what high performers really do before 9 a.m. Research shows that mornings are the ideal time to set yourself up for success. In fact, the quiet of early hours gives high achievers time for themselves, with extra energy to tackle big goals. While most people hit snooze on their alarms or doom scroll before getting out of bed, top achievers carve out uninterrupted time to build mental foundations before the chaos of the day knocks them off balance. In other words, the successful mindset begins before breakfast. Here are millionaire morning routines that will get you from where you are now to where you should be. Number 8, morning mindset and visualization. High performers open their day by training their minds, not just their bodies. They practice gratitude, affirm their goals, and visualize success. Oprah Winfrey meditates daily for 20 minutes, calling it the single most important habit of my life. Psychology research proves her right and confirms that positivity and gratitude fuel productivity. Consistently cultivating happiness and optimism has a direct causal relationship with the productivity and success of individuals. Just 5 minutes of mindfulness each day sharply decreased stress levels and can restore your calm and inner peace, according to health experts. Sit tall, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Another powerful tool is visualization. Mentally rehearse and visualize your day. Millionaires often imagine their goals in vivid detail first thing each morning. NBA legend Kobe Bryant swore by this. He'd mentally rehearse every shot before stepping on court. Close your eyes and see yourself conquering today's biggest task, closing the deal, launching that project, or smashing your workout. Your brain starts wiring itself for success. Then jot down 3 things you're grateful for, big or small. Finally, write one affirmation like, I am capable of extraordinary focus today. This redirects your mindset to abundance and possibility. Number 7, plan and prioritize your day. Successful people don't dive headfirst into email or social media. Instead, they strategize before starting. They set the day's main goals and plan their time while their mind is fresh. Jeff Bezos begins each morning by deciding, what's the one decision I can make today that'll have the biggest impact? Focusing on your most important task keeps you from spinning your wheels. Habit specialists agree, success isn't about doing everything, it's doing what truly matters. Take 5 minutes to list your top 2 to 3 priorities. If you finish those, bonus, but your main aim is locked in. People who time block their day report higher performance and well-being. Start by daily planning. Jot down your top priorities for the day. Time management is strongly linked to success and well-being. Then you can move to batch communication. If needed, do quick emails or calls after your planning, not before. Now, continuous learning. Use some morning time to feed your mind. Millionaires spend big chunks of their morning reading financial reports and news. You don't need their exact schedule. Even 10 to 15 minutes of reading insightful books or reports will go a long way. Number 6, healthy body, healthy wealth. A top-notch morning routine always includes a focus on health. First thing, drink a big glass of water. After an overnight fast, your body needs rehydration. Remember, about 60% of your body is made up of water, and all your organs depend on it. A quick hydration boost kickstarts metabolism and mental clarity. Next, move your body. It's what high performers do. Morning exercise, whether it's stretching, brisk walk, gym session, jolts energy and focus. It also builds discipline that goes into your work. Exercise improves mood, concentration, and confidence, all traits that help you make more money by making better decisions. You don't need extremes. 10 to 20 minutes of exercise boosts endorphins, lowers cortisol, and fuels energy throughout the day. After sweat comes food. Fuel up with a healthy breakfast. A study review confirms that adults who eat breakfast tend to have better memory performance than those who skip it. In other words, a balanced meal helps you think more clearly. It can be as simple as eggs and veggies, oatmeal, or even a protein shake with fruit. The point is to supply brain fuel early, but skip the sugary cereal or rush. Aim for protein plus fiber plus healthy fats. For example, option A, veggie omelet with avocado. Option B, Greek yogurt parfait with nuts and berries. Option C, spinach banana smoothie with flax seeds. If this routine is sparking ideas, save this video now. Bookmark it as your morning blueprint. We're building habits that last a lifetime. 4. Smart investing habits. Millionaires use the morning to invest, not only in the markets, but in their knowledge. For many of them, part of waking up early means spending time on financial reading or a portfolio review. Warren Buffett famously spends several hours each day reading reports and newspapers before the market opens. You don't need to invest that much time, but carving out even 15 minutes to check key financial news or market updates keeps you informed. Additionally, top earners prioritize investing in themselves. That might mean listening to an educational podcast during breakfast or practicing a skill relevant to your career. Remember, many millionaires credit success to lifelong learning and smart habits rather than luck. In fact, they often spend free time reading business books or biographies. Start small. Block 10 to 15 minutes each morning for reading or listening to something that sharpens your mind. Number 3, focus block, deep work sprints. After fueling mind and body, dive into your top priority task in a 90-minute deep work sprint. Cal Newport, author of Deep Work, shows that these undisturbed blocks increase productivity and creativity. Silence notifications, close tabs, and commit to single tasking. Even one focused hour can achieve much more than a scattered day of multitasking. Number 2, gratitude and connection. Before the day's challenges hit, pause again to express gratitude and connection. Send a brief message of appreciation, maybe thanks for your guidance to a mentor or I appreciate you to a loved one. Social research reveals that small acts of gratitude boost happiness in both the sender and the receiver. This simple habit plants the seed of positivity and strengthens your support network. Finally, leave yourself a one-sentence note from your future self, 6 months ahead. For example, you crushed that pitch, keep trusting your preparation. Or, that leap of faith paid off, keep going. This ritual rewires your confidence. As you go about your daily activities, start acting and speaking like the person you aim to become, because your actions and your words validate your potential. There you have it, the millionaire morning routine that actually works, whether you're just starting or already at the top. Now take one habit and try it tomorrow. Consistency builds momentum, momentum builds empires. If you loved these steps, head over to our video on 10 billionaire habits that changed my life to unlock even more game-changing rituals.